All right, welcome to 2021. Happy New Year. Another beautiful view we have here going on the first of the year. Oh, yeah, so I think they get kind of purpley. All right, good morning. Another beautiful day. It is a new year, and we are out here in southern New Mexico enjoying the sunny days and starry nights. All right, so a little recap of what we've been doing in the last several months is we've stayed last year, most of the year, at a eco village or a workaway kind of thing. We thought it was going to be more permanent, and it ended up not being so, and we had barely 30 days to find another place. Obviously, we didn't go into a house or apartment or anything like that, and we went ahead and moved back in the van to continue our travels and have some more fun out here this winter. So what's different is normally I would have left some animals with somebody else to take care of and wouldn't have quite so many things with us. But because we don't have that and everything is with us, we stored what we could in a storage shed, and all of the plants and animals, anything that is alive is with us. I'm a big advocate about not leaving any animals behind. If you move, if you can't take them with you, then I don't make that move. So we have some extra pets. We have some chickens and some rabbits, things that we were allowed to have where we were, and they're with us, and extra dog. So it's more like a little homestead here now. We learned a lot of stuff in this last year. We needed to move on from our current situation. It wasn't a positive, good environment anymore. And it was pretty much just a scam. We were being used, and so was everybody else. And it was not something we wanted to be a part of anymore. And as you know, I have a rental house, and it hasn't sold yet, so I'm waiting kind of on that. And then maybe we'll get ourselves into a home base again. But right now we are full-time out on the road again. So hopefully 2021, which really sounds crazy to say that, is going to be full of possibilities and positivity, health, love, friendship, all that kind of good stuff, and onward and upward to much better things. I don't know if you've ever had it happen where someone has come into your life to tell you something important, and then just as fast as they came in, they go out. I had that happen to me, and that person shed some light on a situation and made it just so clear as I couldn't see it. They saw it immediately, and I was so grateful to figure that out and make changes quickly and get back into a positive environment where we're concentrating on ourselves and keeping ourselves safe and happy and healthy and free of fear and worry. So I'm going to be spending the next month or so just de-stressing, getting back into a routine that we enjoy and love, seeing new surroundings and traveling, just enjoying ourselves again and not worrying about someone else telling us what to do or controlling us or controlling if you're happy or what you're going to do. The freedom out here on the open road is what got us started in the beginning.